Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Exit Realty, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin the registration process with Exit Realty, first, visit the official Exit Realty website. Look for the Join Us or Become an Agent link on the homepage. Click on the link to access the registration form. Fill out the required personal information such as your name, email address, and phone number. Next, provide your state or province of residence since real estate regulations may vary by location. After that, you will need to select your preferred Exit Realty office. Consider researching the different offices to find one that aligns with your goals. Once you have chosen an office, you will be prompted to enter additional details about your real estate experience or any previous licenses. If you are a new agent, make sure to indicate that in the form. Next, review the terms and conditions presented on the page. It is important to read these carefully before proceeding. Once you have accepted the terms, you will need to submit your application. After submitting, check your email for confirmation of receipt from Exit Realty. Be prepared for a follow-up interview, which may be conducted via phone or in person. During this interview, be ready to discuss your motivations and aspirations in real estate. If accepted, the next step will be completing any required licensing courses or training programs. After fulfilling those requirements, you will receive your official registration confirmation. Congratulations, you are now registered with Exit Realty and ready to start your journey in real estate. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.